gentle rabbit moves soft and slow, a creature shaped by instincts cold, with ears alert to danger small. Yet something stirs within its chest, a whisper urging deeper rest. Beyond the pulse of earthly fear, a subtler world is drawing near. Into the spirit light it rises free, leaving old survival ways beneath the tree. A softer breath, a wider view, a heart awakening to something new. Into the spirit light it starts to see the peaceful truth of what it's meant to be. The forest hums with quiet grace, as shimmering winds begin to trace a shift within the trembling frame, a glowing spark, a changing